You stay through the video, you're gonna find out how to make $15,000 from one of the ideas that this gentleman has put together for you guys. So listen up. A special guest today. Oh, there he is. About to hit the golf course here, and I'll tell you a little bit about it as we're checking in. So why Matt right here is my special guest is not only is he a longtime college friend of mine, but also one of my mentors is like, you need to go spend more time with investment bankers.
So my background is in investment banking, close to a decade, doing anything from M&A, buy and sell side M&A, capital raises, debt and equity, IPOs, things like that.
You don't have to be great at golfing to be good at finance. Look at that, baby! Come on, get on that green! Yeah, son! Come on! Somebody's closer! Oh, come on. Come on.
And that's how we do deals.
One thing that he told me that just piqued my ears, because here's the opportunity. If you guys have been patient watching all the, all this goofing around out here on the golf course, here's the $15,000 opportunity. Aging boomers are retiring. They're just, they've been running these businesses for a long time, and most, 8 out of 10 of these companies are likely to go unsold because traditionally, especially in Eastern cultures like in Asia, right, businesses are passed down from family to family. But what you're seeing here in the West is a lot of the millennials, aka our generation,
are making YouTube videos like this.
The punchline is, these guys are actively looking for businesses.
Right.
We'll put the requirement in the show notes below so you have an idea, and also a link to just fill out a form. And if it fits like our criteria, you can tee up a meeting for us with those business owners. And if we buy those deals, we'll give you $15,000 the minute the deal closes. Oh, let's take a random break here to wake everybody up. But have you ever seen the inside of a golf ball? Check that out. It's actually pretty plasticky.